Imagine being able to create anything you can imagine with just a few clicks of a button. With 3D printers, this is now possible. These powerful machines have revolutionized the way we think about manufacturing, design, and even medicine. In this video, we'll explore the incredible world of 3D printers and discover how they are changing the face of production as we know it. The revolutionary power of 3D printers, from design to production. The world of manufacturing and production has been revolutionized by the power of 3D printers. These machines have transformed the way we think about design, prototyping, and even medicine. With just a few clicks of a button, 3D printers can create almost anything you can imagine. From jewelry and art to functional prosthetics and medical implants, the possibilities are endless. But how do 3D printers work, and what makes them so revolutionary? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the world of 3D printing and discover how these machines are changing the face of production as we know it. The history of 3D printing. The first 3D printer was invented in 1983 by Chuck Hull, the co-founder of 3D Systems Corporation. Hull created the first 3D printer using a process called stereolithography, which involved using a laser to solidify layers of liquid resin to create a 3D object. The first 3D printed object was a small, plastic cup, and from there, the technology began to evolve rapidly. Today, there are many different types of 3D printers, each with their own strengths and weaknesses. Some use plastic filaments, while others use resin or metal powders. Some are small enough to fit on a desktop, while others are massive machines that can create entire buildings. How 3D printers work. At their core, all 3D printers work in a similar way. They use computer-aided design, CAD, software to create a 3D model of an object. This design is then sliced into hundreds or thousands of thin layers, and the 3D printer uses this information to create the object layer by layer. The exact process used by each 3D printer can vary, but the basic steps are the same. The printer first heats up the plastic filament or metal powder, then uses a nozzle or laser to deposit the material layer by layer, following the instructions from the slice design. As each layer is completed, the printer moves up to the next layer and continues the process until the object is complete. The benefits of 3D printing. One of the biggest benefits of 3D printing is its versatility. 3D printers can create objects of almost any shape or size, and they can do it quickly and efficiently. This makes them ideal for prototyping, as designers can create multiple iterations of a product quickly and easily. Another benefit of 3D printing is its cost-effectiveness. Traditional manufacturing methods can be expensive and time-consuming. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, publish it, and press the like button, as this helps us a lot in publishing more wonderful inventions and more technology.